Okay, today again we are going to start this one. The same question. There are many more difficult problems. Actually, it is not difficult, but when you're seeing it, it looks like difficult. So I'm going to do that one. So here you have to find D, that is A2 minus A1. This is A1, A2, A3, and this is A4. So A2 is 2A minus A. So 2A minus A. So the same variable, so you can minus it directly. There is nothing, that means 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1A, that you can write as A. And next, A3 minus A, A4, A3 minus A2, that will give 3A minus 2A. It becomes the same variable, so you can directly subtract it. 3, that is A. So the common difference is same, right? So that means it is an AP. This is an AP. So you have to find the next A5, A6 and A7. I'll give you to do this by yourself. I have studied this much. Again, finding next more 3 terms is your turn. Okay, I'll go for next one. I have 11th one question, that is A square, AQ, A4. So we have to find the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. You have to properly indicate it. So A square minus A. So here you can't subtract directly because it is A square and it is A. These are two different types of variable. So if it was A square here also, then you can cancel it, but now you can't. So you take the common difference. Here the common is, here 2A is there, right? Common is A. So A I taken outside, remained A minus 1. And next D is equal to A3 minus A1 and A cube minus A square. Here also is not same, so you have to take common out. I can take A square common out, so here remain A1 minus 1. So here the common difference is not same. See, here this one is same, but the out one is not same, so it is not an AP. This 12th one. Okay, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Let's check the first common difference. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. So root 8 minus root 2. Now you can't cancel directly. You have to expand the root. It like 8 you can write as 2 into 4 and 2 as it is. You can't expand it again. So 4, what is the root of 4? It's 2, and this is like this, and here like this. So your root and root 2 is common, you can cancel it. If nothing is there, here is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and root 2, that is root 2. Let's check. D is equal to A3 minus A2, that is 18 minus root 8. You can expand as 2 into 9. Multiples of 18 you can write inside the square, minus in that which one number should be root of another number, okay, or any one number. There 2 into 4. Here 9 can be divisible. Root, what is the root of 9? That is 3. And root of 4, 2. So here also 3 minus 2 is 1. That means root 2. That means common difference are same. It is an AP. So you have to find next 3 terms. I think next 3 terms you have to find. Okay. I hope next all questions in reader you may get it easy and may solve it. And next we are going to go to the next topic, that is nth term of an AP. What is this nth term of AP? The nth term an of the AP with first term a and a common difference t is given by an. So this is the formula, okay? Whenever you get to find the nth term of an AP, find the nth term of an AP, you have to write this formula. Actually, what is this, right? See, find the second term of AP. So A2 is equal to A plus D, right? In the same way, you don't know which second term you have to find, or third term you have to write, or fourth term you have to find. They just given the number and they're saying find the nth term of an AP such that 36 number lies on there. So you don't know which place, second term or first term, third term or fourth term. For example, they're given their list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then till they okay till I take 50. They are saying where this 36 number lies in between, where you can find out which where it lies. You can't count it, right? So this is this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, this is fifth term, in the sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, this is the last term, that is a last term. And where this 36 number lies, for find that number, which term is that you are using nth term for that, okay? For find the number, which place it lies, the first, is the second, or is the 34th term, or is the 36th term, or is the 12th term, where it lies here, okay? Say another one example, I'll give 2, 4, 8, so 6, 8, 6, 8, 10, and so on till 20, where the 16 numbers lie. That you have to find, which this is first term, this second term, this third term, this fourth term, this fifth term, and like this, so many are there. Where the sixth term lie, is the eighth term or ninth term? For to find that nth term, this formula is used, okay? Okay, let's solve the problem so you can understand it clearly. This formula is very important, you have to buy it. Here, find the 10th term of the AP. In this AP, you have to find the 10th term, which is, this is the first term, the second term, and this is third term. You have to find the 10th term. Okay, so let's apply the formula. What's the formula? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So they have already given you have to find the 10th term. So for this to find, you need A, you need n, and you need D. So let us write it there. A is equal to 2 and D is how much D? A2 minus A1, 7 minus 2, it gives 7 minus 2, 5. So common difference is 5, and n is, they said to find 10th term, 10. So 10th, no need, 10th, and you have to apply this formula. So A10 is equal to A, how much? 2. 2 plus n is 10 minus 1. D is 5. So 2 plus 10 minus 9, 9 into 5 is equal to 2 plus 9 5 are 45. 45, 47. So n 10th term is 47. We'll do another one problem so you can understand it clearly. Now they are saying to find the 20th term of the AP, that is 3, 6, 9, and so on. So this is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. So formula, you know, you need to know first term, A and D and n. So A is here 3, D is 6 minus 3, that is common difference D, and n is 20. Or you can remember this in an easy method. 20th term. That means you have to find n. They given term. They already given term, 20th term. That means you have to find n. So let's apply the formula. That is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is a 20. You have to substitute n in all n places. A is 3. 3 plus 20 minus 1. D is 3. So 3 plus 19 into 3. So 19 3s are 57. 3 plus 57. It is 60. Now you understood how to do. Okay, now we'll go to the next one. So check whether 301 is a term of the list of the number, that is 5, 11, 17, 23. They did not say the 301 is a term. Okay, they did not say. They say check whether this 30 number is lying in this list of number or not. Which term is this? Is the second term? Is the first term? Is the fourth term? Is the 16th term? Which term is this? So they said to find the an. They have given an, which is which number? Last number, not last number. The number which you have to find. So a is equal to 5. T is equal to 11 minus 5. That is 6. And n you have to find which term is that. What is the number? an is equal to 301. It's like, see, in this problem they have given the which term. They did not give the number. We have to find out the number, right, which this number is. But in this question they have given this number and we have to find this number. Understood? Okay, let's find it. Same rule. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And an is 301. 301. A is 5 plus n we don't know. D is 6. 301. 5 plus you have to substitute to these both. Plus 6n. Plus and minus 6 ones are 6. So 301 is equal to 5 minus 6. What? It becomes minus 1 plus 6n, because greater number symbol. Plus and minus is minus, greater number symbol. So 301, when this minus 1 come this side, because you can't here subtract or minus or add anything here, because there is a variable present here, so you can't here itself you can do, you have to substitute here. So if you substitute, minus 1 becomes plus 1, becomes 6n. So 302 is equal to 6n. Now we have to divide. 302 by 6 is equal to n. So 6 ones are 6. How much are 6? 5 is 30. And wait. So we'll not doing in 6. We'll do in 3. 3 2s are 3 10s and no. Actually, when you divide it, you get 151 by 3. Okay, 3. We'll get this much. So the nth number should not be in fraction form, should not in negative, or should not get point answer. So it is in a fraction form. So 301 is not a term of this list of number. Okay. I hope it is clear. If it did not clear, I'll stop this class today itself, because filling all together it will get confusion to you. So now I will end up this session. Just remember, number, which term they will give the number, you have to find the term, that means an. They given the term, you have to find the number, that is nth. That's a common silly difference. Okay, by this I'm ending this session. I hope it is clear to you all. I tried my best to clear the picture. Okay, thank you.